thanks for watching this video. If you don't know what we have here today, we have a very special livery helmet from AGV. It's a AGV Pista GP helmet. Like, it's FIM homologated. The livery that we have today is something that we bought, and I had a few orders for this helmet. One of them that I kept for myself is a Morbidelli scheme. So let me see, I can open it up. So what you get inside the box, you'll get the helmet. The helmet has its cover on, it's bolted down, everything is locked using the foams, the thermocol I'll say. It comes with, let me open this pouch up. I'm keeping this helmet for myself, so give me a second, let me show you guys what all we have. We also get different sizes of tubes going into the mouth. Then you also get the 3M earplugs, a small AGV sticker, some manuals. You have two big booklets rather, which will be telling you about the warranty and like the collection information from AGV. So this is a collectible helmet, guys. Don't take me wrong, this is a very special livery from Morbidelli's race in 2020. Let me put this back. I'll just keep it on the side to view it later. Let me put the camelback bite valve back as well. So what else you get? You'll also get some cheek pads to adjust the helmet to your size. If you look at it, you have 8 separate pieces and you have multiple of those. So you get these cheek pads. This one that I am holding is a size medium large. I usually wear a medium in an Arai or a Schubert or a Shui. But how the AGV works is like there will be a size medium small, which goes from 56 to 57 centimeter head circumference. The medium large is 58, which is ideal for me. It suits me. You also get a pin lock, a fog lens protector, which is right over here. And the livery that we have here today is from Morbidelli's Misano race, Moto GP race, and this was back in 2020. So if you look at it, I mean, this helmet like looks ideal and perfect in every angle. From front to back, this one is definitely a keeper. I'll just place it on this Arai stand and show you guys around. Look at this, guys. The helmet looks amazing. I mean, everything from front to back. The graphics on the helmet, the AGV logo. Let me go sideways too. Look at all the text at the back, and it says limited edition RR. So mine is the number 525 out of 1500 ever made. It's FMVSS certified medium large. As I was telling you guys, like, I usually wear a medium, but only for AGV I have to order a medium large, and that's what I've been wearing for a very long time. But yeah, unboxing of this helmet actually makes me feel really happy.